So we've started building this PC. I just need to get a hard drive for it, but it's up and running and it's downloading stuff anyway. So I got the 1TB SSD, and I do want to change the fans on this to be colourful. And now I'm just waiting on my monitor. That's arriving tomorrow. And look at these speakers as well. They're cool, aren't they? So you can like change the colours of this as well, just with the touch thing. This is by Goodmans as well. We got really, really colourful. Or just set it to normal. So that is really funky, that one. So then for the mouse, we've got the Goodmans mouse and the £15 keyboard as well. The mouse was £12 and it's just super affordable. And it looks really, really awesome. So I was looking at this desk, it's an LED one and it's only £99 from the range. So I did want a chair like this. It's the Xrocker gaming chair with LEDs in it. Found one for cheaper. It's not an Xrocker, but I'll show you which one I've found. So this is another cheap option. This is from the range for £139.99. Then I thought this was a brilliant one. I think this one's the one. It's a no fear office gaming chair from Game for £119.99. So if you've bought any of these, then let me know which ones you've bought and if they're any good.